U-Boat – один из немногих брендов, который создает часы не только для обычного потребителя, но и для настоящих супергероев. Итало Фонтана, который является создателем бренда, стал надежным поставщиком для Арнольда Шварценеггера, Тома Круза, Николаса Кейджа и других героев. Почему бы не отметить этот успех здесь, в Швейцарии, на Baselworld 2017, с собственным вином, собственных виноградников, с ID Fashion. ID Fashion – Real Emotions.
I'm Italo Fontana, creator to U-Boat, and I show the new collection to ID Fashion. Ciao. When I need something for myself and I like to do, I do. Because U-Boat is freedom to create. Bronze is our power, okay? We are first to do vintage straps and like some very old material. In U-Boat normally is minimalist, the bezel, but now we do something like that for diver. This is 300 meter and we have also 1001 meter waterproof. This is sterling silver and scratch by hand to like a piece of gold, like pieces of, and I put diamond in opposite side. And we do wine, but not just standard wine. This is the spumante, you know spumante, like
yeah, of course,
with the metodo champagne, yeah, but more alcohol in the world.
In particular, this one, for example, is owned by top model Raffaelli.
Wow.
And there's a selection of female watches specifically designed for the gentle gender. And apart from this, also we do have some bronze, classico, chrono, or time only pieces, and in which the bronze is uncoated, so it can change radically with the time and create a sort of patina.
You are very loyal to divers, right?
Yeah, I mean, of course. This one, for example, is inspired by the deep gorges, the bathyspheras that they were exploring the sea during the 20s. So it has a round shape, it's called capsule. This system of layers that they keep the glass squash into the gasket and it make it completely waterproof. In this year we introduced many classico, our basic watch in different materials and different sizes. In this case, for example, is a skeleton watch with the Dubois Duprat movement, and you have a bezel in tungsten that is completely indestructible, and this one in particular received a sand blasting treatment in order to create a matte effect, and still in titanium.
I designed my second baby. This weld is more affordable because U-Boat is more expensive, and welders can buy because I want to see my watches on the wrist for the people. The inspiration coming like explorer, coming from like the sun, the color. In the night, I do the bold, the other line, more rock, more strong.
More masculine.
More masculine.
Watch the best watches by U-Boat on ID Fashion.